Hello children, welcome to our science class. Today we are going to start our fifth lesson. The name of the fifth lesson is Birds, Beaks and Claws. From this lesson we will be learning about birds and how they differ in their beaks and claws. Birds are living things. They also need food. Most of the birds are eating grains, nuts, fruits, etc. Some other birds eat insects, worms. The beaks and claws help the bird to catch, hold and eat their food. Different birds have different types of beaks and claws. So, we are going to learn in detail about beaks. Beaks are birds. We know that different birds have different types of beaks. Beaks of birds tell a lot about the kind of food they eat. And the shape of the beak also suited the type of the food they eat. The birds such as sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finches, they have the birds such as sparrow. You are familiar with these birds? Sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finches. Finches means myna. They have short, hard and horny beaks. Horny beaks. Horny means കൊമ്പ് പോലെ, കൊമ്പിന്റെ അനിമൽസിന്റെ കൊമ്പ് കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ, പശുവിന്റെ ഒക്കെ കൊമ്പ്, അതിന്റെ പോലത്തെ, അതായത് കൊമ്പ് പോലെ ചെറിയ ബീക്കാണ്. That is sparrow, pigeon, peacock. They have short, hard and horny beaks. These beaks help them to nut crack and help to eat grains and seeds. So once again, sparrow, pigeon, peacock and finches, they have short, hard and horny beaks. Some other birds such as eagles. Eagles, vultures, hawks. Hawks means പരുന്ത്. Eagles, vultures, hawks are having strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Hard, strong or hooked beaks. They have hard, sharp and hooked beaks. The birds such as these kinds of birds are having flesh. They are flesh-eating birds. We know that is why they are having hard, sharp and hooked beaks. These beaks help them to tear the flesh of other small animals. ഇത്തരം ബേർഡ്സിന് അവരുടെ ഷാർപ്പ് ആൻഡ് ഹുക്ക്ഡ് ബീക്സ് tear the flesh, മറ്റ് അനിമൽസിന്റെ സ്മോൾ അനിമൽസിന്റെ ഫ്ലഷ് കടിച്ചെടുക്കാൻ, അതായത് കൊത്തിവലിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നു. Eagles, vultures, hawks, they are having hard, sharp and hooked beaks. These beaks help them to tear the flesh of other small animals. Then children, did you see the beak of parrot? Do you like it? Yes. The bird parrot has strong and curved beaks. They have strong and curved beaks. Parrots have strong and curved beaks. Parrots have strong and curved beaks. These beaks help them to crack the nuts and seeds. We know that parrots are eating nuts and seeds. So, they are having strong and curved beaks that help them to crack nuts and seeds. Okay.